See God, I believe it's true, because He is love. When I look at you, you must have a plan. Well, this crazy life, because He brought you here and placed you by my side. 'Cause I have never been so sure of anything before, like I am in this moment here with you. And now for better or worse, so much more than only words. And I pray every day will be the proof that I mean what I say when I say I do. I mean what I say when I
With friends, and you made
say
vows to be husband and wife.
I do.
Now, by the authority invested in you as minister of the gospel, which is the law of the state of North Carolina, I now pronounce you man and wife. You may shake your bride's hand.